Hey guys, let's make this vegan slash eggless banana bread. Hi guys, today we're doing something a bit different. I'll be baking. For Meatless Monday I'll be baking. I won't be using any egg in this recipe here. As you see from the title, I'll be making a vegan slash eggless banana bread. So let's do an ingredient breakdown from left to right. So what I have in this bowl here is 1 3/4 cups of flour that has been sifted. I have about 4 bananas that I crush or mash in this dish here. I have half a cup of soy milk, half a teaspoon of nutmeg. You can switch this out for cinnamon, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, half cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of coconut oil. I'll also be adding some salt. I don't have it here. I'll be adding a pinch of salt just to blend the flavors together. All right, so I'm gonna push these aside. And then I'm going to start mixing the wet ingredients along with the sugar, except the apple cider vinegar. So I'm going to be mixing this thoroughly to get the sugar fully incorporated and melted in the mixture here. So I'm going to set this aside now and start on the dry ingredients. I'm now adding a pinch of salt. So I'm now going to start adding the wet mixture to the dry mixture here. So I'm now going to move over to the spoon. So it is now that I'm going to add the 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Please guys, follow these steps closely to get the best batter possible. So it is the apple cider vinegar and the baking soda that is going to do what the egg would have done in this batter here. So it is important not to mix the apple cider vinegar with the baking soda, because you know that will have a chemical reaction, but somehow science works this out, and it definitely works in this batter here. So that's for the mixing. I have my baking pan here that I'm going to add some coconut oil to grease it. So I'm adding about a teaspoon of coconut oil. Then I'm just going to spread it out with my fingers, you know, come up this side and so forth. So in my greased loaf pan, I'm now adding the butter to it. So velvety and so nice. Wow, it smells so good too. I have about a teaspoon of oats that I'm going to sprinkle on the top here. Make it pretty. Also sprinkling a teaspoon of sugar on top of it as well. I wanted to add some walnut to it, but I couldn't get any walnut, so I say, you know, I have to do without. So I would add some almonds, but I wanted walnuts, so I just said, let me just skip the nuts this time. I'm going to place it in my oven that is preheating at 170 degrees. Then I'm going to bake it for about 50 minutes or until an inserted knife comes out clean. Drum roll, please. Here you have it, my friends, my beautiful and super delicious banana bread that is so fragrant. I do hope you enjoy this video. Please give me a like if you like this video. Leave me a comment as well as subscribe if you haven't already. See you on my next video, guys.